Hello everyone, welcome to Nilachal Parvat. I'm standing on top of the Nilachal hill, Nilachal meaning the blue mountain of Devi Kamakya. So on the way to Devi Kamakya temple, we get this Shamshan Kali temple, that is the cremation ground Kali. It's a beautiful Kali where a lot of yagyas take place, that is related to removing black magic or removing any doshas. So many people do samuhik sadhana, that is with their guru shishya parampara. So I'll be showing you the corridors of Devi Shamshan Kali right now. We just finished the darshan of Shamshan Kali Ma. Now we are going towards Mahavidya Chinnamasta Mandir. So let us go. Now we have come to the Mahavidya Chinnamasta Mandir. So Mahavidya Chinnamasta is the Devi who dissolves our ego. So when we cut our own skull, what happens is three nadis come out. That is the Sushumna, Ida and Pingala Nadi. So she is using her Ida and Pingala Nadi to feed the Dakinis and Varninis, and the Sushumna Nadi for her own spiritual awakening. Here there is a spring, that is in the Mahavidya Chinnamasta Yoni. There is a spring where devotees collect water, that is Tirtha. So there is an adjacent temple of Kameshwar Devalaya near the Mahavidya Chinnamasta Mandir. Both are underground and both have spring water, which is a Tirtha for many devotees. Now we are in front of the Kameshwara Linga. Here also, like how Mahavidya Chinnamasta has underground cave and a Tirtha flowing continuously, same way here also there is underground spring continuously flowing on the Linga of Kameshwar Dev, and both Mahavidya Chinnamasta and Kameshwar act as the male and female counterparts to each other. She is also called as Kamakya's Gupta Swarupa, that is secret form of Ma Kamakya. Here the number of devotees is also less. So whoever wants to relax can come to these mandirs, which will not be that crowded. Most of the people will be there in the Kamakya Mandir, and in the Gupta Mandir there will be very few people, where you can drink the Tirtha of Kameshwar and Mahavidya Chinnamasta continuously. Now we will go towards Ma Tara's Mandir, which is also very silent and peaceful. Let us go. On the way to Tarama temple, there is a Dakshina Kali temple here. A lot of yagyas take place. Like if you have any doshas regarding pitru or black magic or anything, all that will be removed in this yagya. As you saw in the yagya fire, they pray to Dakshina Kali so that all doshas will be removed, all evil eyes will be removed. So you can see the yagya. On the way to Kamakya temple, you will see many people putting namas, tilaks on you. So you have to be very careful. Now we have come to the Tarama temple, which is also a shrine in the Kamarupa area. So this whole region is called as Kamarupa because long time ago in the Satyuga, when Shiva lost Sati, he started doing Tandava. Since Sati went to the uninvited Daksha Yagya, that is her father's Yagya, her father insulted her husband, that is Shiva, in front of her. Sati couldn't hear all the insults, and that's why she jumped in the Yagya fire. Shiva got so furious and he started doing Tandav with Sati's body. And when the whole universe was at stake, Vishnu sent his Sudarshana Chakra and cut the Sati's body into 51 pieces. It is 51 Shakti Pitas. So all the parts of Sati which fell on Mother Earth became known as Shakti Pitas. And here, Kamakya is the Yoni part of Sati. So after that incident, Shiva renounced himself from the whole world and he started meditating in Umananda Island, also known as Urvashi Island, during which Kamadev was assigned the task to bring Shiva back to Samsara. So in order to bring Shiva back to Samsara, what Kamadev did was, he pointed his arrow made of flowers on Shiva, and Shiva saw that with his third eye. Shiva opened his third eye and burnt Kamadev into ashes. Seeing this, Kamadev's consort, that is Rati, pleaded to Shiva that please revive him back. So to revive Kamadev, what Shiva told was, he has to do puja of the Yoni part of Sati, that is in the Kamakya region. So that's why Kamadev started doing puja to the yoni part of Sati. Because of which Kamadev regained his Swarupa, and that's why this place is called as Kamarupa, because Kamadev got his Rupa back. That's why this whole area containing Kamakya Devi, all the Mahavidyas, is called as Kamarupa, including the Brahmaputra river. And here is our Tara Ma, who is the most beloved Ma, also called as the Guru of all Mahavidyas. She is known to take the devotee from the lowest chakras to the upper chakras, that is, from the below 4 chakras to crossing the above Vishuddhi chakra. She is also known as Vak Saraswati or Neela Saraswati. Now we will take the blessing of Ma Tara. Om Neelatare Saraswati Devibhyo Namaha. Om I am Neelatare Saraswati Devibhyo Namaha. Now after taking the blessing of Tara Ma, now we will go towards Ma Kamakya Devi herself. That is the yoni part of Sati. Let us go. Hello everyone, now we have come to the Ganapati shrine of Ma Kamakya temple. Usually people take the blessing of Ganapati before they see Ma Kamakya. So let us also take the blessing of Ganapati. Here you can see that a lot of balis are done of pigeons, goats, and it is applied all over the shrines of the temple. Now we will go towards the Bali area. So here is the place where people use coconut to remove their doshas. So they take one drishti of themselves with the coconut and they break the coconut on the rock so that whatever drishti or evil eyes is on them will be removed by the breakage of the coconut. So let us see the shrine of Ma Chamunda. Shring Ring Aing Kring Chamundai Namah. Om Aim Rim Lim. Now we are going towards the Bali house of Ma Kamakya Devi. This is the place where they do the Bali of goat, buffalo, pigeons as an offering for Ma Kamakya, an offering of Prana Shakti to Ma Kamakya.
चंद्रकला देवी आपको ढूंढते हुए आपकी बेटी सोमल देवी.
Finally we have reached Ma Kamakya temple, and you can see there is lot of queue for the darshan of Ma Kamakya. There are two kinds of darshan. One is Sparsh darshan, which is to be done online, that is advance payment of rupees 501. It should be done at least 2 to 3 weeks before the darshan, that is of rupees 501. But the general darshan can be taken the previous day, but that too you have to wait for 6 to 7 hours. Whereas the exterior of the temple, that is the Mahavidya Tripura Sundari and Kamala Matangi, can be seen within few hours. That is, if you stand in the line for 2 to 3 hours, you can get the darshan of Tripura Sundari, Kamala and Matangi. But the Yoni darshan, that is Ma Kamakya's Yoni, Sparsh darshan, for that advance booking is required. This temple is also connected to the Asura called as Narakasura. Narakasura was not an Asura before. That is, before he became evil by the influence of Banasura, he was known as Naraka, the son of Varaha Avatar and Bhudevi. So he was supposed to rule the earth righteously, and he did also. That is, Pragjyotisha was being ruled by Kiratas, and they were not that righteous, and that's why Naraka won the war against the Kiratas, and he took over the kingdom of Pragjyotisha. It was known as Pragjyotishapura. And after that, Bhudevi and Vishnu themselves came in front of their son, that is Naraka, and told him that you have to always dedicate yourself to Ma Kamakya Devi. But unfortunately, because of the influence of Banasura, Narakasura became very violent. That is, he started having pride of Ma Kamakya's powers. And then one day, Vasishtha Muni, that is one of the Saptarishis, was coming to the kingdom of Pragjyotisha, and Narakasura didn't allow Vasishtha Muni to take the darshan of Ma Kamakya, and that's why Vasishtha Muni cursed Narakasura that until he rules the kingdom of Pragjyotisha, until he is alive, he will never enter the Kamakya Devi shrine. Because of the curse of Vasishtha, Kamakya Devi went away from the kingdom of Pragjyotisha, and then the decline of Narakasura started. Seeing this, he asked the help of Bhudevi and Varaha Avatar, but no one replied because he was not righteous anymore. Then he asked the help of Banasura. Banasura advised that he has to pray to Brahma to regain his boons. And then he prayed to Brahma and he gained 2 boons. He became indestructible. Vishnu took the form of Krishna and with the help of Satyabhama, they killed Narakasura, because Vashishta Muni also cursed that he will be killed by the human form of Vishnu, that is his own father. And Krishna killed Narakasura with his own Sudarshana Chakra. And after 300 years of decline, Ma Kamakya's grace started coming back to Mother Earth. She is also called as Mother Earth's Yoni, that is Mother Earth's agricultural structure. I hope you enjoyed the vlog of Ma Kamakya Devi Temple and Nilachal Parvat. I hope this video has brought some light to your consciousness. Thanks for watching and we'll meet in the next video. Jai Mahakal.